Hi, welcome to Triple R Productions. This is Anikumar Mangat Parambath. Did you know that your iPhone has the ability to shoot 4K videos? Take advantage of recording high quality 4K videos using your iPhone. iPhone 6 was the first model of iPhone with the ability to shoot 4K videos at 30 frames per second. iPhone 8 or later versions give us the option to shoot 4K videos at 24 frames per second, 30 frames per second and 60 frames per second. In this video, I will walk you through in setting up to shoot 4K videos using your iPhone. Open Settings, swipe down and tap on Camera app. Tap Record. Select 4K 24 frames per second or 30 frames per second or 60 frames per second. Tap on Formats and make sure the high efficiency is selected. Go back to the home screen and launch Camera app. Switch to video mode. Now you can see the top upper right hand corner that it is shooting at 4K frame rate that you have chosen. iPhone XS, iPhone XR and later. You can also tap the Q toggles in the top right corner of the screen to change video format and frame rates.